Hey everyone, this is Alper from AI Assisted team, and we want to demo AI Assisted code suggestions with Alex. Alex, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm a senior backend developer for AI Assisted. In this video, we would like to show you how to work with our second iteration of code suggestions. Yeah, Alper, welcome.
Okay, let me share my screen. So I open Visual Studio Code on my environment. I go to extensions. I search for the GitLab workflow extension. I click install, and we are ready. And now I have to set up a token for the extension. I come here, I press Ctrl-Shift-P key shortcut to add a GitLab account to VS Code. I choose gitlab.com, then I need a token. So to make a token, I go to my project. I go to gitlab.com. I go to preferences, personal access tokens. I create a code suggestions token with only a read API permission is enough. I create the token, copy it, it's not visible. I come back to VS Code and paste it here and press Enter key. Okay, let's go back to extensions now. In the extension, I go there to the extension settings, and I have one setting which is enable code completion, which is already enabled. Now, when I go to a GitLab project, it must be a GitLab repository, and I click a certain file like hello.js, I can come here and first write, let's say, hello in JavaScript, and then I can use a code syntax and write there. Create a view application. And then here we go. It creates a view application using JavaScript in the HTML. And every time I see suggestions, I press the tab key to accept it. Now I stop sharing and give Alexander the screen. Yes, Alexander, to show demo more.
Thanks a lot, Alper, for this example and for the tutorial how to enable code completions and the GitLab code extension. So in my part, I would like to show how I would like to show completely another example, let's say in Python, and we can apply multi-turn recommendations. So for instance, we would like to write an application by requesting recommendations line by line. So let's start. And so here is the thing that we should receive from the model. And let's start line by line. So first we need to give a context to the model, and let's say that we need Python, the third Python. Okay. And then, so let's say that we ask our model to import the package for regular expressions. Okay, and we need to help our model like that. Doesn't work. Okay, let's import by ourselves. And then, okay, let's define a regular expression that matches an email address. Yeah, here we go. Get this regular expression. Okay, done. Let's then search for an email in our inputs and store the first match to variable address. So suppose that our input is abc.xyz@email.com, right? Okay, let's clean this and let's request. Okay, we successfully generated this line to search for the inputs using regular expression. So I would optimize since we already compiled the regular expression, but yeah, okay, this line also is acceptable. Okay, let's go next. And let's remove the substring starting from the @ symbol from address. Okay, done. So we get the first group. And yeah, we can also print the substring. The model suggests us to print it. Or let's make something else. So for instance, we can replace non-alphabetical symbols in address using regular expression. No, we failed here. Yeah, let's ask again. Yeah, done. Sometimes it happens since we have some kind of randomness in our recommendations. And yeah, let's print the results. So that's good. Just recall that in this iteration, we were trying to improve the quality of the model. We made lots of things. First of all, we were exploring how to, what is the best strategy to decode the next token. Please consider that the current model, this is the model converted by Brandon from CodeGen architecture to the GPTJ architecture supported by Triton that we use to serve the model. In this iteration, we also implemented several algorithms to identify personal information and then mask this personal information. So for instance, let's say that we also have this third Python and we would like to get someone's email address. So let's say this will be my email address. Okay, let's do like that. Yeah, and yeah, we triggered this recommendation. So if you see that line, if you check this line, you'll see that we have email placeholders. So we don't recommend email addresses. We identify all email addresses as well as secrets and IP addresses with placeholders, and then we print them. So that's all. We can also try to do the same with password, for instance. Okay, for password, it recommends just password. But yeah, you can try. Please try and please share your feedback with the current model. Oh yeah, cool. We get something else for second Python, right? But it looks similar to the third Python. Okay, that's good. Okay, I will stop sharing.
Let's stop recording too.